Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of a video using Canva. And yes, it is video, not photo. So it is a new feature that is available on the Canva Pro version that allows you to remove a background of a video. So I have this background, which is a simple gradient background, and I'm going to insert some video. By the way, this feature is available regardless of what mode you're using, whether it's for Instagram posts or it's for desktop presentation or other format. It doesn't really matter. You will still have access to this feature to remove a background of a video. So I'm going to find a video for woman walking. I think that's pretty simple, and let's navigate to the video section. I'm going to select this video. And let's put that video in the middle of the document. Okay, that's about right. Now you can click on the image, and let me adjust this first. Okay, you'll see that I cannot see the background at all. The background is not visible because it's being blocked by this video. But if I click the video and then navigate to edit video and then click background remover, you'll see that now I can see the background, which is the orange, orange red gradient background. And this is the result. Yeah, it's good enough. It's not perfect. You can see that the hair is not being preserved right, and also some area is still visible. But more or less, if the background is quite simple, or if you don't have any hair that is hanging everywhere, then this is going to be showing you a decent result. So yeah, that's how you can change the background of a video using Canva.